Hi guys, it's Munene here from Finem Graphics. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to fix the server error 500. So this usually happens when you are saving something on the website from Elementor. So for example, you see I want to save, I've made changes to this footer, so now I want to update the changes. So if I click here, it's not saving, it's saying server error 500 error. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So you go to your cPanel, you should get your login details from your hosting provider. Then when you log in, you'll see a screen like this. Then scroll down until you go to software. So when you are here, let's go to Multi-ini editor or Multi-ini editor. Then here, let's select the location. So you have to select the domain that you want to make those changes. So for this one, I'm gonna select this domain. When you select it, you will see the settings that we have here. So on the maximum execution time, let's increase it to 3000. Then our memory limit, let's upgrade our memory to 512 megabytes. Then the post size, let's take it to 32 megabytes. Let's go also to our upload maximum file size, let's take it again to 32 megabytes. Then let's apply those settings. Once we have applied the settings, let's go back and try to update our page. There we go. It's now updating because we have increased the memory size, we have increased the execution time so that it doesn't time out before you finish saving your work. So I hope this video it helps you. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified when we upload more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.